Hey, friends of mine, come out to Las Vegas this year for Health, Healing, and Happiness, the annual shindig of learning from people from all around the world who are so smart and so helpful in learning about topic matters to do with health, healing, and happiness, stuff we can apply in our lives right away and even share with others around us that we love and care about. It'd be a lot of fun. Just Google search Health, Healing, Happiness, Las Vegas. You'll see the ticket page there. Super inexpensive for something like this, and they've also got a huge free section that's I think they call it the market or the expo or something. Tons of people there with different things to show, demo, sell. There's book authors, lots of literature about anything you could ever possibly want to know about with health, healing, happiness, mind, body, spirit. And I'll be there. It'll be really cool to meet you. A great place to network and meet other like-minded people, form friendships and see old friends. If it's your first time, maybe form new friendships, who knows. But I'll be there. It'd be cool to see you if you go. So, hey, hopefully I get to see some of you there. I'll be there June 6th. I fly in June 6th of 2018, coming up in less than 3 weeks. So I will see you there.